This book is called Making Sounds. Let's see what happens. Benjee and Bailee love finding new sounds and making lots of noise. The twins are going to see what sounds they can make using just their bodies. Benjee and Bailee are clapping their hands. Clap, clap, clap. The twins love the sound that clapping makes. Benjee and Bailee are yawning with their mouths. Yawn, yawn, yawn. The twins love the sound of yawning. Benjee and Bailee are stomping their feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp. The twins love the sound that stomping makes. Benjee and Bailee are blowing raspberries with their tongues. The twins love the sound that blowing raspberries makes. Benjee and Bailee have made some super sounds. Shh, shh, shh. Now Big Bear is making a sound that means it's time to be nice and quiet. That was a great story, wasn't it? Did you like it?